Hello and welcome back to bullet cubing. Today I'm going to show you guys the part 1 on the Skewb tutorial. So what we're first solving is the white face. As always, the white face is pretty intuitive. As on all cubes, we are solving the white face first. Pair all of the corners to the white center. As you saw, those are corners and this is the center. There are no edges. So this step is intuitive. First, you can move one of the pieces. So first, you have to learn how the Skewb actually turns. You hold two opposite corners and you turn that way. People usually think it's not turning because it's turning sideways. So now, when you have this right here, you can move it to the top. And then you can move this down. And then you see that blue, green, and red is opposite to blue and yellow, orange. So you have to move it right here. What you're going to do is move it this way. So it would be in line with this corner, and then you can move it up. Since we did that, this one is automatic paired, so only for the last one. You can move this down to the bottom, and then you found it's not working if you move it up like that. So you can turn this, and then you can move this back up, and then you can move the one that you turned back up. So now you have all of the white face complete. Thank you for watching part 1 on how to solve a Skewb. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for more upcoming videos. Bye!